Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Welcome to Yoursounds. If you want to register, the following short demonstration will provide you with useful information on how to get started. To log in, simply enter your personal details. As a registered user, you get access to your personal account, where your settings are stored for your next visit. For example, you'll be able to save your favourite sounds in individually created wishlists, and store your basket content for your next visit. Next time you visit us, simply enter your email and password. Now you're able to dive into your personal sound library.